Folks, welcome to Software Testing Hacks. Today I'm back with another video where today we'll be talking about one of the most or in-demand video that most of you were asking me about, the AI tools that are being used in the market right now, and then how to stay updated with the AI tools and what all the tools that are present in the market and how I can start learning them. So today we will go through what are the different tools that are available. Basically, most of you might be facing the flaky test cases that breaks after your UI update, or you might be spending hours together of time to check the UI on the different browsers. So with the help of AI tools, you can resolve all such problems. So without delay, in this video I will go through all the top AI tools that are changing the way we test the software, from self-healing tests to visual bug detection, and even by converting a simple language English to automation. So there are a lot of many tools that are available. Let's go through one by one, and don't worry, if you are manual tester also, you can level up to automation with the help of the AI tool. So hope in this video you will learn what are the different AI tools that are being used. Without delay, let's begin. But before that, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Let's begin. So the very first tool that we are going to talk about is Appli Tools. Appli Tools basically for visual AI testing. So Appli Tool is a leading AI powered visual testing tool that uses the visual AI to detect the difference between in the web and the mobile apps UI that manually or traditionally automation might miss. Basically what happens is, Appli Tools, they are used for visual testing. While you do the testing, you will actually take the snapshot or screenshot of the particular page, and then while during the execution it will compare and find the defects, if there is any layout shift or if there is any UI related issues that are present. So the main features of this Appli Tools are visual snapshot for UI comparison. Basically, as I mentioned, it will take the snapshot and compare the UI. AI driven eyes engine for pixel perfection validation. Basically it will verify from pixel to pixel. Okay, it will verify, this is the pixel, and then it comparison will be done. Cross browser and cross device visual validation. Basically for cross browser testing, you can test it on different browsers and then devices as well, and validate by pixel, because it takes the snapshot during the test whenever you write the test. Okay, and then it compares during the execution. So integration with Selenium, Cypress, Playwright and more is possible. So if you want your application to be looking good all the time, then this is best suitable. Okay, so you can have this with Selenium, Cypress, Playwright and different other tools as well. You can give more, you can explore more on this tool. And next, it is best for responsive UI testing. If there is a responsiveness involved in the testing, so at that time it is better suitable. Detecting layout bugs. Suppose there is a change in the UI, like how it looked earlier and how it is looking now. So there is a difference, right? So at that time it helps us to identify such defects. Visual regression testing. It is better suitable for the regression testing as well. You can compare it with the existing versus the one which was taken before the changes. Okay, so overall this tool is basically used for visual UI testing, which is GUI, graphical user interface testing, which works in a way that it will take the snapshot during the execution and then compares it with the already existing snapshot. So this is one of the tool that you can say. And next, let's talk about the another AI tool, which is Testim. So basically, some of the tools here are best suitable for the application. Based on your application, you have to choose those tools. Okay, certain application might be a little complicated. In that case, it might not be possible to have this AI tools integrated. So based on your project and then the process and how it goes, basically on basis of that you have to select such tools. Testim, it uses the learning language, okay, ML, to create stable and fast automated tests. It is popular for self-healing test scripts and rapid test creation with the minimal coding. It doesn't require much coding, but it is good for self-healing. Self-healing is a concept where, suppose say, you have already worked on a page, okay, and the locator for that was hard coded already, so that is already been written in the script. But sometimes what happens, if the same page goes through some changes, there are chances of that locator getting break or broken. So at that time, to avoid failure of the test, self healing is the concept where even though if the locator is not right, okay, in that case also it will make sure that the locator is found and then it performs the action. Okay, so it is one of the major concept right now, and a lot of other tools are also available. So let's go through what are the key features of the Testim. One is AI powered smart locators for elements. As I mentioned, self-healing. It is one of the, it will capture the smart locators. Smart locators in the sense there are different ways each tool works. So here it also, it is smart enough to identify that particular locator and continue with the execution. Self-healing capabilities for changing UIs, okay, which is one of the major requirement, and along with that CI/CD integration is also possible with the help of Testim. Chrome extension for recording user flows. So these are the main key features of Testim, and it is best suitable for what, fast authoring of functional UI test. Okay, suppose you have a set of functional test cases, you can complete it as quickly as possible with the help of Testim. Scalable test automation for agile teams. Okay, it is helpful for agile teams, and then it reduces the flakiness in the test. Basically, flakiness is one of the major problem that has been faced across a lot of applications, and then with a lot of tools as well. So with the help of using this, the reduction of the flaky test is there. Okay, and next let's talk about MBEL. So MBEL is an intelligent low-code test automation that integrates seamlessly with CI/CD. Basically, it also uses the machine learning to auto-update the test and then detecting the UI changes and then the visual regression. So all this is possible with the help of MBEL. So basically, it is low-code test automation tool, you can say. Okay, so this uses machine learning. Okay, with the help of machine learning, it can perform auto-updating the test. It will auto-update the test, and then it verifies if there is any UI changes and visual regression. All these are possible with the help of the tool called MBEL. So coming to the key features, it is cloud-based automation with built-in machine learning. Okay, this is one of the major advantage, like it is cloud-based basically. Smart wait times and auto-healing. Auto-healing is nothing but the self-healing. Okay, it will smart wait. If the locator is not available, it will make sure that it will wait. You do not have to explicitly call any wait. That feature is available, and along with that, the self-healing or auto-healing in case if the locator is broken. So that is also available. End-to-end testing with visual validation. So the very first tool what we spoke about is completely about the visual testing, but this tool will also be able to perform the visual validation. API and performance testing support. So along with the web and then the mobile, along with that it will also support API and then performance testing also. So it is best suitable for the teams with limited coding experience. So this is a low code test automation. So that is the reason, in case if the team members are not having good experience or exposure to the coding, that time you can go with this tool. Continuous testing in agile and DevOps. So basically with the help of this, even you can integrate it with DevOps as well, and better suitable for agile teams. And then visual and functional testing in one particular platform. So that is one major advantage. You can have your visual regression as well as functional regression as well. So within one particular tool you can have multiple things done. And next, the very fourth, last, not the last one, but Functionize is one of the tool. Functionize is also an AI driven testing platform that uses natural language processing to turn plain English into automated tests. Okay, basically this is also one of the most popular tool. So a lot of you might have heard about this tool. So it uses the natural language processing and turns the plain whatever the English like statement that you have given into an automated test. So basically it will provide you a set of automated tests with the help of whatever the command or the input that you give in the plain English statement. So here the key features are test creation in natural language. With the help of the natural language itself you can create the test here. Smart test maintenance, basically better suitable if you want to maintain the test cases. Cloud execution at scale. So if your tests are getting executed at cloud, so it is one of the major advantage of you to have or use such AI tools. Predictive test impact analysis. So test impact analysis is available. This is one of the major feature of using the Functionize. So, and also let's see what is it best for the QA teams with non-technical testers. Okay, they are not well trained, or the testers who doesn't have a very good hold on the testing concepts. So for them it is better suitable. Speeding up test writing. So it will also help. Basically after using the AI tools, I have felt that after using these tools, this is making our life very easier, too much easier, and then it will help to speed up the test writing, test script writing. Enterprise level test automation. So basically for the enterprise level, if you want to purchase it for your company or the project, so for that it is more preferable. Now the final one, last one, which is ChatGPT with GitHub CoPilot. So it is not a specific tool, but it requires integration for code generation. One will help in the code generation, and together it will give you the code as well as write the test as well. Though it is not a dedicated testing tool, ChatGPT and GitHub CoPilot are widely used by testers to write the test script, okay, generate test data, write test documentation, and suggest automation logic. So for all this purpose, so GitHub CoPilot is also one AI tool which is getting boomed in the market right now, and lot of people have already started using the GitHub CoPilot. You must give a try and then learn about it, like how it works and all the things about it. So some of the key features are natural language to code translation. You will give an English like statement, it will convert it into the code, like whichever language you want, it will help you with it. Unit test integration, or unit test generation for function, it can even generate the unit test cases as well. API testing script support, with the help of it you can even get the API testing script also. Integration with IDEs, you can integrate it with the IDEs such as VS Code. Okay, so those are the major features of using the GitHub and then ChatGPT together. So boosting productivity of the testers, it will help you to boost your productivity. And then writing or converting manual tests to automation, so which is another major advantage. You can even convert your manual test cases directly from manual steps to automated steps. Okay, generating test data and test cases, so for that purpose also it is useful. So these are the major things that a software tester or AI tools a software tester must know. So one major thing that you have to keep in mind is that the AI tools, along with making the life easier, it is always better to have it as integrated. So these are the basic or major tools. By tool itself you can automate, but there are certain extensions also available. You can use those extensions and make sure that your scripts are working perfectly fine. With that help, basically nowadays AI agent is also in trend, so you can integrate it with your tool, basically like VS Code or IDEs, and then you can take the help of it, and then it will help you to write the tests step by step. So these are the important or major tools that we spoke about. Apart from that, if you know any other tool, let me know in the comment section, and also let me know if you want to make a video of any other tools that you know. If you have liked this video, please do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.